With no new corona-type virus cases in Thailand, 32 having been treated and close to half discharged already, the Health Ministry is reminding the public that in addition to face masks, which also protect against smog, the number one issue for disease avoidance is wash your hands. With the virus is able to attach to anything from a handshake to a salt shaker someone used maybe a few days before, washing hands is a key issue. Disinfectant hand wash, or at least soap, will help avoid illness, and parents are also advised to teach their children the importance of the same too. All cases reported here have either been people coming here from China or those who've worked closely with them while they've been here. With tourist groups blocked already, the chances of spreading here are as remote as in any country in the world. A Deputy Prime Minister has put a block on the arrival of a Dutch-US cruise ship that had logged plans to arrive at Laem Chabang, allowing passengers to depart and travel to the airports to get home. The ship, flagged as a potential source of the novel coronavirus, had already been turned away by 3 other countries and had caused a stir here. The Army Commander-in-Chief has confirmed this morning that a failed land deal did prompt the Gun Sergeant Major to go on a shooting rampage that killed 30 people before he was shot dead by security forces in the shopping mall in Nakhon Ratchasima on Sunday morning. Almost in tears, the commander went on to pledge to tighten security measures at all Army units to prevent a repetition of the incident. The Transport Ministry has ordered the harbour departments to tighten safety measures after a speedboat collision in a Phuket canal killed 2 Russian children and injured 19. He told the press that the Harbour Department officials are speeding up their investigation, and both boat captains have been charged with reckless driving causing death and injury, having their permits revoked too. The chances are that a full overhaul of policing and licensing nationwide of boats used for public transportation will be enacted soon. Meanwhile at home, and yesterday's local idiot, a Thai man who took to Facebook referring to our own T21 shopping mall and his ideas to copycat those of Korat, well, yesterday we told you that he'd been caught already. Today, payback, as a background check found out he's an army deserter. He's AWOL. So once processed by local police, he'll be smartly en route to the brig and not much of a welcome from the army too. Chinese tourism for the region has been written off by many for at least 4 months, and that's an ideal window for businesses to open their eyes again to the Western and expat market. It's true to say that they've been overlooked by many here in the past few years, instead fating the Chinese, seeing them as an easy market. Many having put all their eggs in one basket, but some at least are now seeing that. With the roll-on effect to other businesses, the word's out, 2 businesses in Pattaya. Give us a deal and we'll support you. And finally, a British lag, a prisoner there who was deported from Pattaya a few weeks ago, has caught a cold in his UK jail. 31-year-old Mark Rumble was deported on drug-related charges, and a few sneezes seem to have freaked out his jailers. They've locked down the entire wing where he's now firmly ensconced. Test results for the coronavirus are due this week, but it's likely to be a storm in a teacup, as coming from our own region where there's no corona-style virus at all, it's likely that the cold weather in the UK has had more effect on him than anything else. And with the Met Office promising highs today of 32, a hot sunny day with the chance of showers later on dropping down to 24. That is the local and national news from Fab FM. For videos and of course to keep up with fabulous Pattaya, visit alwayspattaya.com.